Hi, welcome to How to Pete. Welcome back if it's not your first time. On today's How to of the Day, we are going to open a fuel cap on an XC90 Volvo that has malfunctioned. It doesn't want to open because it's locked, and they automatically lock and unlock, so you really can't do anything to it. You'll have to go from the inside. What you do is open the tailgate, take this little floor piece out, move it away, then you go here, you lift this little section, then the side, pull that, drop it down, and then you pull this section back, just like that. And now if you have a look, you'll see the little culprit right there. That's what we're removing today. Now, I won't be able to film this bit, how you do it, but once I get it out, I'll show you how to do it. When you open the cap, it's these two Torx bits you got to undo. Okay, so that just pushes in. Done. That's all it holds. Okay, now that we've unscrewed him, here he is here. Okay. And basically, this little lever right there, when it's locked, it's like that, because that pushes the pin through. See, that pushes the pin through there, and that is locked. So when it fails and your cap is locked, you have to get in through here and find the bottom of this little lever and just pull it back like that. That's it, unlocked. But next time you lock your car, or the car locks itself as it does when you take off, that'll lock again. And when you have to refuel, you have to do the same trick again. Hence, we are replacing the one in our car. And now to refit it, no rocket science required. Basically, this little clip only goes one way. There, it's got a little tab there and can only go one way. So you can't get it wrong even if you try it, unless you're very strong, and you can break things when you're pushing it. Bang, done. Probably the hardest part's going to be aligning this where it needs to go. Okay, now you either have two people doing this, or you get this little screw and you have long arms and you just put it there just to hold it a little bit over. This is the point I was making. Just sit it there so it doesn't fall through. Now you can manipulate it, hold it while you do the other one up. It's going to be very hard to film. little piece gets pushed back there. This little clip clips in like so. And now that we've completed the job, we do everything in reverse. Job done. If this happens to me again, I understand that this might be a common issue. See the pin that locks and unlocks, basically. All I'm going to do next time is I'm going to cut that pin off, so that way I can't lock it anymore, but it's not telling the central door locking module that something's unlocked. So that's all I'm going to do. It's just going to snip that off. If somebody wants to pinch your fuel, they'll break that little door anyway, so I think it's nonsense that we need a locking mechanism on the fuel door. And if you're so paranoid about it, just put a locking cap. End of story. That's all from me.